Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired Instagram page or account, and then head over to your account by clicking your profile bar on the lower right corner, and then just go to the three lines icon on the upper right corner. And once you're there, just go to your activity under how you use Instagram section, and then scroll down to the last and then go to download your information under information you shared with Instagram section. And from here, just download or transfer the information. Once you do it, you can just get your deleted chats on Instagram. So yeah, this is how it is done. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And hopefully we will see you in the next one. Stay tuned with us.